Hello, this is Chris Guest, and welcome back to Children's Technology Review. As an unnamed castaway astronaut, you wake up from a crash to a set of bearded inhabitants attempting to repair your ship, and begin your trek through a perplexing plane of environmental storytelling and whimsical tunes to find the parts they need to get you back to spacefaring. This is how Pan Pan begins, and each puzzle solved draws you further into its virtual world as a reward. Interactions are simple, using single button presses to pick up items and operate strange machinery dotting each area. Rooms themselves are engaging microcosms of problem solving that can be approached in any order you feel most comfortable. Cozy's the word here, but there's plenty of intrigue too as you discover increasingly tough problems to solve and encounter the planet's mild inhabitants. This is a game that can be enjoyed at your own pace. Whether you've got time for just a quick puzzle or a few full areas, what's here is enjoyably brain-teasing. You won't be blazing through some of the tougher head-scratchers at play, but the satisfaction of coming back to overcome that puzzle that had you stuck is a great feeling. This has been Chris Guest for Children's Technology Review.